Okay, today we on the dollar chart. I'm going to go over this chart and a few more charts to see if I can find some setups. And this is the daily chart of the dollar. Closing last week, I seen this nice sell signal right here on the weekly chart, right at my zone and right at my minor quarter point. So they gave me an indication that this can be a sell week this week and possibly the next. If you see a sell signal on a weekly chart on this type of area of resistance, that's a pretty strong indication. This red line here is my pivot point resistance one. This is resistance two. So in this area here is a lot of resistance. That's why you see this long wick to the top side showing buyer exhaustion. And then you see this sell signal. So now we're looking for, we'll scroll down to smaller time frames and look for any opportunities to sell this pair. Because as you can see, we're going strong. This is back in 2017. So all this is like over the past year of just straight downward. And it ended about uh, February of this year, consolidated for some weeks around this area, and then it shot up. So this is basically the retracement of all of this. So we could possibly see this downside again, possibly. But let's scale it down to a smaller time frame to give you some more insight on this pair to the daily. Oh wow, look at this. Opportunities, opportunities, opportunities. So we got 1 day bearish, 2 day bearish, third day bearish. That looks really good there, traders. That's what you call a bearish variation. Almost 3 days of bearish variation. If this candle was to close nice and full, I would say we're going to see a lot of bearish activity for this week for sure. If not next week as well. I can see this pair coming down to this zone here, this trend line. The first stop is going to be right here where this trend line is, and this pivot point. It's going to be the first area of congestion, and then probably down in this area, another area of congestion because I have a 260 EMA down here. So this area here is going to be where you want to start probably taking profits because other traders will be taking profits, but still leave some on the table if you take this trade with the dollar index. So we can see it falling more. It's probably because all the Trump stuff going on with the trade embargoes or trade tariffs, we want to call that stuff. That's starting to have an effect on the market. As long as price doesn't get above this red box right here, I'm saying I'm sticking with my sales. It would have to break above this red box and close above it for me to get out of this sell that I'm thinking of right now, that I'm talking about right now. So we can see possibly a few more days of this going down. As I was saying, we'll scroll down to the 8 hour time frame. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful right here. As I said before, the longer price doesn't close, break above and close above this red box, I'm sticking with my bias for the bears for the dollar, which is a pretty good, nice chunk of pips you can catch from right here down to this. Look at that 60 pips, right about 100 pips to the red box. So this is a lot of pips you can catch if you chose to. You want to look for a pullback on the smaller time frame. Let me put my pivot points out on this time frame. Let's take a look at it. Support one, support two, yeah. Pivot is up here. Yeah, so your stops can go up slightly above this pivot point right here on the 8 hour time frame. You'd be safe for the most part. The way the market is trending right now, you would be safe. This is actually structure right here where you can put your stops at, either above here or above the red box for a good area for your stops. And just let this trade ride. It could easily break this stop here or stop here, consolidate, and then continue on down. Because I actually have, let me see here. Go to the high, touch up. Yeah, my 38.2 fib is down here. That can possibly be the first stop on this pair. 50% is down here on the 92.5, my other minor quarter point. I have structure right here as well. So structure here, structure here. So you got a TP in this area and a TP in this area if you choose to take profit on the sell. But personally, I'm gonna keep some on the table because I have a feeling it might keep on continuing on down some more, especially if this trade war continues. Let's go to the 2 hour. Yeah, 2 hour time frame is a nice healthy pushes down. Nice bearish momentum. You might see a little hesitation right here at the 260 EMA, but the red is the blue is over the red on your EMA SMA cross right here. Those sales are pretty strong right now. Looking good. Make sure the 4 hour says. Oh yeah, so we got confluence down at the 260 EMA, another confluence level. Yeah, this pair can drop a good what let's say 60 to 100 pips in the next day or two. That'd be a nice catch for the week. We just wait for a pullback and entry on a smaller time frame. Yeah, if you get a pullback up into this 260 EMA, I got a good feeling it's going to hold. So any type of pullback on the DXY to the 9460 level, 94, 9450, 9450, anywhere in there, even the 9445, 9445, 9450, even the 9460 will all be good areas for a better entry and catch the ride all the way down.